Hello दोस्तों, I am Kanhaiya and welcome back you again in this new video. And in this new video we are going to learn some new words which we can use in our conversation. So the very first expression we have here, और कुछ नहीं. If you want to say और कुछ नहीं, nothing else, like somebody is offering you a lot of things and you have to say no, I am done and now I don't need anything. So you can say nothing else, now I don't need anything. Okay, so next is कोई खास बात नहीं. Then again, if somebody asks you that is something special there or do you have anything special, so you can simply deny that no, nothing is special nowadays, everything is going as usual as it goes. So you can use this expression like that. Then we have acha, it's okay, or you can say okay, but the spelling is not this one. Spelling is O-K-E-Y. Okay. Then we have beshak. Beshak. If you want to say yes, of course you can do this. If somebody asks you that can I take this, then you can say oh, of course you can take it. बेशक तुम ये ले सकते हो. Then same as we have बंद करो, pack up, ठीक है, और close up. You can say pack up or close up. बंद करो. Then we have भरोसा रखें. Let's say rest assured. Let's take an example. You are going to do something and somebody is helping you in that and you stuck on the person that is really going to help you. Then the person can say you, yeah, rest assured to me and let's do your work only. I will manage everything. Let's rest assured to me. भरोसा रखें मुझ पर. I will manage everything. Then next we have फिर मिलेंगे. See you again. We always use this word on our chat. When we converse with our friends, that let's meet in another day or see you again after ending the chat. See you again. Same. If you're meeting with someone and want to say that हम दोबारा मिलेंगे, so you can use it. See you again. Then we have कल मिलेंगे. See you tomorrow. Same as परसों मिलेंगे, तो you can say see you overmorrow. What you can say? See you overmorrow. Overmorrow means कि कल और परसों. परसों को हम कहते हैं overmorrow. Then we have बैठ जाओ, sit down. It is very usual. Everybody knows this. And I think this is going to help you in your conversation and you can use these expressions in your conversation by which you can make it effective. So I hope you are going to use all these in your conversation. So thank you very much for watching this video, and if you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel and like this video too. Let's meet in another video. Bye bye.